Hey guys, what is up? Licidian back again with another Bedrock Edition Redstone tutorial. We're going to be putting some more of this stuff back together the way we like it. Last video we went over this nether portal here that lights itself and puts itself out. And pretty much everybody's seen some item filters, and so we're just not going to do that. We're going to switch right on over here to our little elevator. And I showed this before when I was talking about torch towers and running redstone signals up and down, and kind of why that's important to be able to do that, because we got a button on top and a button on the bottom, and that lets us, swap this block around. But we didn't actually get into how this block gets swapped around. So let's talk a little bit about how that happens, all right? So when you push either of these buttons, both of them just have a monostable circuit on the back of them. This lets you have a single pulse of signal coming out of here to do some work. Okay, so this redstone signal just goes down here and it does some work. All right, off of either one of these buttons, you get a single tick pulse. And it goes down here, and what that does is, well, this is one of our T flip-flop designs. So T flip-flop, this just turns off and right back on, and it moves an item from one side of the hopper collector here to the other side, and just switches which output is on. And all that does on the back end is it allows this piston to retract and this piston to push out. I don't even think these are sticky pistons. It's not important. We just stick a piston in there. That one's going to pull back. That one can shove 2 blocks, and we get our retraction and expansion, just like that. So that's how we're swapping these blocks around for our elevator. Very simple design, but again, we're combining monostable circuit, tower, and this T flip-flop here, and we get our end result of having a really cool functioning elevator that lets us, get in here and go down or go up from the bottom, and then you can go down from the top, and that all works just exactly the way we want it to. I actually use one of these in my survival world. Going down, it is pretty quick. Now, usually what I do, if I go down my elevator shaft, I'm like, okay, well, that's a long shaft. And so I go ahead and flip this around, because it does take a little bit for the bubble streams to start going up, back up to the top. And then we just got signs here to hold this water back. And that's pretty much the entire design. Really simple, but remember, we're just combining some of these easy concepts of, monostable circuits, T flip-flops, some NOT gates. This is actually a NOT gate here. So when we have this T flip-flop, powered, it can't move anything. When we push a button, it powers this, and not powered for this. And then it just goes right on into these pistons here. That's pretty much it. So remember, whenever you're building your redstone contraptions, whatever you're designing, all you're doing is you're combining ideas. You're combining your logic gates, you're combining your monostable circuits, you're combining your T flip-flops, and you're doing that, and you're going to end up with something really cool. I'd love to see what you guys are making. If you want to post a video and leave a link in the comments, I'd like to see what you guys are coming up with some of these concepts in Bedrock Edition. I always enjoy seeing new redstone designs, so feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.